Hey everyone, welcome back to How to Web. If your file explorer on Windows 11 isn't responding or opening, here's how to fix it quickly and easily. First, try restarting File Explorer. Press Ctrl Shift Escape to open Task Manager. Find Windows Explorer in the list. Right click it and select Restart. This often resolves temporary glitches. Next, clear the File Explorer cache. Open File Explorer options by searching for it in Start menu. Under the General tab, click Clear next to Clear Files Explorer History. This removes any corrupted cache file that might be causing issue. If the problem persists, run the system file checker. Press Windows plus R, type CMD and press Ctrl Shift Enter to open command prompt as administrator. Type sfc sc scan now and press enter. This tool will scan and repair any corrupted system files. Another effective solution is to disable third-party extensions. Sometimes add-ons can interfere with File Explorer. Open Task Manager, go to Startup tab and disable any non-Minecraft applications. Restart your computer and check if File Explorer works properly. Finally, ensure your Windows 11 is up to date. Go to Settings, Windows Update, and check for updates. Installing the latest updates can fix unknown bugs and improve system stability. Thank you for watching How to Build. If this helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.